Zendaya said, I am gonna step on everyone's necks when she chose this look at the June 2 world premiere. Because she looks beautiful. She looks futuristic. Fun little fact, Zendaya's wearing an archive piece from Theirry Mugler's 1995 slash 1996 couture collection, and she just looked amazing. So this is how it looked in 1995. And this is it on Zendaya in 2024. Like, Zendaya is definitely those celebrities that always push the envelope at any event they go to, and her looks on this tour have been amazing. As you can see, there's some see-through panels on her stomach, her thighs, her breast, her arms, and also on her derriere. Pretty risky, but still astonishingly beautiful. And there was actually a helmet that went with this whole look, but I'm glad she didn't put it on because I feel like that would have been overkill. The fact that she did simple makeup, simple hair to make the outfit do the talking was such a power move, and I'm here for it. She did that.